Hi everyone, this is Dinesh Sharma from Raise the Bar with DS, and today my student Abhinav is going to demonstrate how you can develop a habit of speaking in English. So we call it drills and dialogue practice. So here are some certain sentences which are purely tense based, and Abhinav will show how you can read them to develop or build your habit of speaking in English. Okay. So and
Yes, sir.
you can also do one thing that you develop the habit of reading one sentence 5 times and read it out loud in front of mirror if mirror is available there. So I request
Yes, sir.
Abhinav to start reading all the sentence. He will read slowly, and then by and by or day other day some other day we will have fast reading. So Abhinav, please start.
Yes, sure, sir.
Sure.
I love my I love my country. I don't like your attitude. Do I like this? Don't I like this? You love your country. You don't like my attitude. Do you like this? Don't you like this? We love our country. We don't like your attitude. We have don't we like this? Don't we? They love their country. They don't like your attitude. Do they like this? Don't they like this? People love their country. People don't like your attitude. Do people like this? Don't people like this? He love his country. He don't like your attitude. Does he like this? Doesn't he like this? She loves her country. She doesn't like your attitude. Does she like this? Doesn't she like this? It love its country. It doesn't like your attitude. Does it like this? Doesn't it like this? Ram loves his country. Ram doesn't like your attitude. Does Ram like this? Doesn't Ram like this? I am sleeping now. You are sleeping now. We are sleeping now. They are sleeping now. People are sleeping. He is sleeping now. She is sleeping now. It is sleeping now. Ram is sleeping now. I am not crying. You are not crying. We are not crying. They are not crying. People are not crying. He is not crying. She is not crying. It is not crying. Ram is not crying. I am sleeping. Are you sleeping? Are we sleeping? Are they sleeping? Are people sleeping? Is he sleeping? Is she sleeping? Is it sleeping? Is Ram sleeping? Am I not crying? Are you not crying? Are we not crying? Are they not crying? Are people not crying? Is he not crying? Is she not crying? Is it not crying? Is Ram not crying? I have eaten food. You have eaten food. We have eaten food. They have eaten food. People have eaten food. He has eaten food. She had eaten food. It has eaten food. Ram has eaten food. I have not eaten food. You have not eaten food. We have not eaten food. They have not eaten food. He hasn't eaten food. She hasn't eaten food. It hasn't eaten food. Ram hasn't eaten food. Have I eaten food? Have you eaten food? Have we eaten food? Have they eaten food? Have people eaten food? Has he eaten food? Has she eaten food? Has it eaten food? Has Ram eaten food? Have I eaten food? Have you not eaten food? Have we not eaten food? Have they not eaten food? Have people not eaten food? Has he not eaten food? Has she not eaten food? Has it not Ram not eaten food? I have been working on this project for long. You have been working on this project for long. We have been working on this project for long. They have been working on this project for long. People have been working on this project for long. He has been working on this project for long. She has been working on this project for long. It has been working on this project for long. Ram has been working on this project for long. I have been working on this project for long. I love my country. I did not like your attitude. Did I like this? Didn't I like this? You love your country. You didn't like my attitude. Did you like this? Didn't you like this? We love our country. We did not like your attitude. Did we like this? Didn't we like this? They love their country. They didn't like your attitude. Did they like this? Didn't they like this? People love their country. People did not like your attitude. Did people like this? Didn't people like this? He loved his country. He did not love your attitude. Did he like this? Didn't he like this? She loved her country. She didn't love your attitude. Did she like this? Didn't she like this? It loved its country. It didn't like your attitude. Did it like this? Didn't it like this? Ram loved his country. Ram didn't like your attitude. Did everyone like this? Didn't Ram like this? I was playing football. He was playing football. She was playing football. It was playing football. Ram was playing football. You were playing football. We were playing football. They were playing football. People were playing football. I wasn't playing football. He wasn't playing football. She wasn't playing football. It wasn't playing football. Ram wasn't playing football. You were not playing football. We were not playing football. They were not playing football. People were not playing football. Was I playing football? Was he playing football? Was she playing football? Was it playing football? Was Ram playing football? Where we you playing football? Where we playing football? Where they playing football? Where people playing football? Was I not playing football? Was he not playing football? Was she not playing football? Was it not playing football? Was Ram not playing football? Where you not playing football? Where we not playing football? Where they not playing football? Where people not playing football? I had visited Delhi. You had visited Delhi. You had visited Delhi. We had visited Delhi. They had visited Delhi. People had visited Delhi. He had visited Delhi. She had visited Delhi. It has had visited Delhi. Ram had visited Delhi. I had not visited Delhi. You had not visited Delhi. We had not visited Delhi. They had not visited Delhi. She had people had not visited Delhi. He had not visited Delhi. She had not visited Delhi. It had not visited Delhi. Ram had not visited Delhi. Had I visited Delhi? Had you visited Delhi? Had we visited Delhi? Had they visited Delhi? Had people visited Delhi? Had he visited Delhi? Had she visited Delhi? Has it visited Delhi? Has Ram visited Delhi? Had I visited Delhi? Had you not visited Delhi? Had we not visited Delhi? Had they not visited Delhi? Had people not visited Delhi? Had he not visited Delhi? Has she not visited Delhi? Has it not visited Delhi? Had Ram not visited Delhi? I had been living in Canada. You had been living in Canada. We had been living in Canada. They had been living in Canada. People had been living in Canada. He had been living in Canada. She had been living in Canada. It had been living in Canada. Ram had been living in Canada. I had not been living in Canada. You had not been living in Canada. We had not been living in Canada. They had not been living in Canada. People had not been living in Canada. He had not been living in Canada. She had not been living in Canada. It had not been living in Canada. Ram had not been living in Canada. I shall finish it. We shall finish it. You will finish it. They will finish it. People will finish it. He will finish it. She will finish it. It will finish it. Ram will finish it. I shall not finish it. We shall not finish it. You will not finish it. They will not finish it. People will not finish it. He will not finish it. She will not finish it. Today it will not finish it. Ram will not finish it. Today shall I finish it? Shall we finish it? Will you finish it? Will they finish it? Will people finish it? Will he finish it? Will she finish it? Will it finish it? Will Ram finish it? Shall I finish it? Shall we not finish it? Will you not finish it? Will they not finish it? Will people not finish it? Will he not finish it? Will she not finish it? Will it not finish it? Will Ram not finish it? I shall be finishing it. We will be finishing it. They will be finishing it. People will be finishing it. He will be finishing it. He will be finish. She will be finishing it. It will be finishing it. Ram will be finishing it. I shall not be finishing. We shall not be finishing it. You will not be finishing it. They will not be finishing. People will not be finishing. He will not be finishing. She will not be finishing it. It will not be finishing it. Ram will not be finishing it. Shall I be finishing it? Shall we be finishing it? Will you be finishing it? Will they be finishing it? Will people be finishing it? Will he be finishing it? Will she be finishing it? Will it be finishing it? Will Ram be finishing it? Shall I not be finishing it? Shall we not be finishing it? Will you not be finishing it? Will they not be finishing? Will people not be finishing? Will he not be finishing it? Will she not be finishing it? Will it not be finishing it? Will Ram not be finishing it?
Okay.
What brings
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Abhinav. You have read it well. Can you have the second round?